Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn British English free on YouTube and the British English page on Facebook and other websites too. My name is Chris, I'm the teacher here. It's 2019, a new year, and I'm back with new free lessons this year. I'm also available for some private lessons as well. We can have them online on Skype, Zoom, whatever you like. If you want some private lessons with me, please email cjworkman17@yahoo.com. Right, now for a free lesson, an important grammar topic. I'm going to tell you about small but very important differences between two sets of vital English verbs. They are verbs to do with the senses. We start with our ears. Hear or listen to. What is the difference? It's very important actually to sound more natural. We are walking outside. Someone plays music. We don't want to, but we hear music. It's there. We don't choose, maybe we don't care, but we hear it. It's a sound, it comes to us. We hear the music. Now, I take these. What are they? Do you know? Earphones. Good. I'm listening to my favourite music. I want to hear it, so I listen to it. It's interesting for me. I'm focused on the music. This is the difference. Here, it's there. We can't choose. Maybe we don't want it, but we can hear it. Listen to something. The big mistake. I hear my favourite music. No, thank you. I'm listening to my favourite music. I hope that's clear. Hear or listen to. Now the second set of verbs. With our eyes. First, see. We are walking. There's a bird. I see a bird. I don't choose it. Maybe I don't care, maybe I don't want to see it, but it's there. My eyes see it. Next, this is for doing maths. Do you know it? It's a calculator. I want to do maths. This is useful for me. I'm looking at the calculator. To look at something. It's interesting for me. I want to see it. I look at it. Someone is there. I want to see what they're like. I'm looking at them as well. See, look at. Another one in this set. Watch. I love football. Does anyone remember my favourite team? Please write it if you remember. I'm watching the football match. It's interesting for me. I want to see it. I watch it. Watch or look at. Watch is when things are changing or moving. You can watch a clock when it moves. You can watch the football match. You can watch people doing things. Use watch when something is changing or moving, compared to look at. Finished. The second set. See, look at, watch. That concludes this lesson. Hear or listen to, see or look at or watch. My name is Chris. Please join me on YouTube, Facebook, the website and other ones. Please see below on YouTube for the links. I'll be back soon with more free lessons. Please join me and I will see you then. Bye bye.